I wonder whose life and career Shane's here to make miserable tonight.
Oh, don't start, Corey.
Commissioner Hothead is out of his mind. Completely unlikable. You know, guys, I talked to some of the members of the Mean Street Posse. They don't want anything to do.
And his opponent, first, from Germany, weighing in at 221 pounds, the Masked Man.
As a reminder, guys, this one will be a handicap match featuring two superstars against one.
Oh, we don't need a reminder, Cole. Though I'm willing to bet that after this one, somebody's going to need a reminder on what their name is.
And his partner, from Germany, weighing in at 221 pounds, the WCW United States Champion, the Pig, Carl.
Guys, I realize the title is not on the line here, but I don't think the champ can afford to give less than a full effort.
Well, then I've got some good news for you, Cole, because there's a better chance of Saxton scoring a date for Friday night than there is with the champ giving less than 100%.
And we're underway with this incredibly one-sided handicap match.
And I can't help but wonder how the champ's game plan differs, if at all, knowing that the title is not on the line here tonight.
Oh, massive atomic drop. Clothesline. You gotta believe this one's over. Oh, atomic drop. Now it's Shane McMahon with some reason for concern.
I don't know about you, but I don't like his chances of survival here in this handicap match.
Well, I don't think his performance here tonight is necessarily one I would point to if I were to instruct an up-and-comer on how to win a handicap match.
You never want to count a competitor out, but things don't seem to be going in his favor here tonight.
What a stomp. Good grief. Oh, my goodness, crushing it. Ooh. This might be it.
Oh, my.
What's this? Michinoku driver.
Absolutely planted.
We've seen some pretty lopsided handicap matches over the years, and one that stands out in my mind, well, it might just be the 2010 encounter that saw John Cena take on 6 members of the Nexus. Oh, going right after the neck. 6. Stay down, man.
Guys, it's imperative he gets back in the ring.
Yeah, otherwise he's looking at a countout.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
8. Oh, Shane McMahon is looking very beat up right now.
I don't recall the last time he looked so fatigued.
Yeah, so this, I would say, is a perfect blueprint for how not to win a handicap match. I hope the guys at the Performance Center are taking note.
If by some miracle he goes on to win this match, we'll be talking about this comeback for generations to come.
Missile drop kick finds its mark. Oh, a cheap shot right above the eye.
Oh, nasty impact.
Side headlock applied. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Elbow drop with authority.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Across the shoulders, up and oh man, incredible impact.
Shane absorbing a lot of punishment here.
Penny predicament. I wouldn't have been surprised if that was it. Wow,
What a match.
looking at it here. He's not in a good spot here, guys.
He's
Nailed it.
Shane absorbing.
He's got him covered. He kicks out before 3.
How'd he do that?
Caught.
Oh, what a really great swinging neck breaker.
Harsh impact.
Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. What impact.
This one is over. The pressure's too much. They tap.
And here's a look back at some of the action from the previous match.
Man, oh man, look at that.
Gotta be honest with you, I'm kind of glad that match is over. He comes out with a W, but it wasn't very pretty.
Here are your winners, the Masked Man, the Pig, Carl, and
Without even breaking a sweat, this one is over. It doesn't matter which side of the fence a guy is on in a handicap match. The idea of the whole thing is very unsettling. I, for one, am glad it's over.
And I'd say that match certainly lived up to SummerSlam.